Right, so that's the end of our Lanzarote extravaganza, our trip to Lanzarote. We're just about to get in the car. Sophie's done all the packing, ain't you, Soph?
Yeah.
And yeah, so we're just about to go home. The hotel's just there. And yeah, lo and behold, it's actually, even though it's a bit cloudy, the sun is actually coming out this morning, so it's probably going to be the warmest day of the whole holiday. But yeah, so we're on our way to the airport. We'll probably catch you at the airport, show you around there a little bit, and then we'll get on the flight home and go home. So if you have watched some of the videos or all the videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and keep watching our adventures. And thank you for all of those that have watched us and subscribed. We really appreciate it. See you in a while. Right, so we've arrived at the airport, car return. We've actually stopped at Auto Reisen. That's who we rented our car with. We normally use them because they're actually 9 times out of 10 they're the cheapest, and everything's included. We've never had any like random bills afterwards, so that's good. That's the car we had, by the way. Really all right. Yeah, it was nice and big and spacious. But yeah, once we've dropped all the car off, we'll get into the airport. Right, we're now in the airport. We've got through security in about 10 minutes. I tell you what, the rest of the world, Swiss ports and all the rest of it, you need to sort it out, because Spain are just so much better than all you lot. You get straight through security, no problems, no hassles. Like I said, it took 10 minutes from getting to the airport, getting the car in, and we're now in. Such a breeze. And it's the same in Tenerife as well, it's just such a breeze. But anyways, we're in the airport. What's about? So our flight's not been called yet for boarding, so we need to wait for some information before we can find. We're supposed to be flying at 12:45, and it is 10 to 11 at the minute, but we haven't got anything. So once we do, we'll obviously go to our gate, but we don't know what gate it is yet. So what have we got in Lanzarote Airport? We've got sunglasses. We've got knick-knack shops. It's all the standard stuff, really. Now, I know there is a lounge here. We've been in a lounge before. It's not that great. It's all right. Which is, I think it's just up the stairs. What we got here? Got like a WH Smith's equivalent there, reload. Got a sweet shop. Get yourself some fancy jams and spreads and that, salt. Well, this is annoying. Now you've got people queuing at the terminal all wonky. I don't know if people tell them to do that or they just do it. I don't know. I bet they're all British. British love to queue, don't they? So. This is where we normally go. Normally get a drink and stuff in here, don't we? Normally.
I said he wants some food, like nuggets or something.
Well, they got KFC. Apparently. We got Chinese, Walk Street. Yeah, Pizza Hut and KFC. You can get by the slice. What's this look like? So you've got, hola, a nice burnt margarita there. And you've got KFC, self-order. We've got nothing on the shelf, so I reckon it's probably going to take a while. Right, so we've just been mortgaged to get ourselves a KFC. It's bloody expensive in here. So Sophie's kid one, she got a kid's one. And that was what was 5.86. And then we got another one,
What juice I got?
which was a burger and 5 strips, which was 22.58, and then another one which was, I think it was like £4 for another 2 chicken strips, or for, like, yeah, basically £4. So yeah, that's what we got. Charlie's munching his.
And I got like a Fanta lemon.
You got a Fanta lemon.
It's just got tiny little pieces of wine.
5.86. You got little mini fillet, chips, an ice cream and a drink.
So that's not too bad, is it? That? Oh, little
Just a
Noah's all
chicken bag
snotty
with
today. Thank you, Noah. Thank ya. Right, so luckily we've got a ramp straight onto the plane again. I think it's because it's a Dreamliner with 2E, so you get straight on a ramp. Otherwise, most of the time when you go into these airports, you actually have to go on a bus and get on the plane, which is a bit of a pain in the ass. There we go. So we're just waiting now to get on the plane. How's it going, everyone? Right, we're on the plane. Hopefully you can hear me. But anyway, we're on the plane. We've been flying about half an hour now. All got on pretty easy, so it's quite good. It's quite a full flight. Again, we're on a Dreamliner. We're all sitting next to each other this time, so that's pretty good. So Noah's finally gone to sleep. He was really struggling. So dosed him up a bit of cowpole.
Not just really, though, he's not well.
Well, yeah. But none of us have been, unfortunately. The boys are chilling out with their Play-Doh. And Jack's watching Trolls on a thing. So on the way out here, they didn't have the screens on. But they have on the way in, on the way home. So that's good. So I'm just playing a bit of Texas Hold'em. And yeah, this is the plane. Get ourselves a couple of drinks and settle into the flight, I suppose, eh? Where are you going to go? Are you going to have a cocktail or not?
No, just have a soft drink.
Soft drink. Alright. Right, so we're now landed in Gatwick. It was actually a really quick flight, a good flight as well. So now just at the baggage reclaim, trying to get our bags. Just another note to how crap Swissport are and how good the Spanish airports are. So much quicker. And actually they chastise people with families because they filter you all into this one lane. And then you're all waiting where everybody else as an individual is going straight through. But there we go. So now I'm going to get the cases and then we're going to go and get the car. Right, so we've just got to the car and that's what we're doing. Just getting in the car. Kids are getting in. Yeah, nice and smooth and easy really, weren't it, Soph?
Yeah.
And it was a good flight.
Yeah, it was a good flight. Noah was screaming a lot because he's got 2 teeth coming through.
Yeah, poor little sausage.
Keep trying to do his car seat up, but he keeps pulling the bits that I need.
Right.
There we go, but it's a lot colder, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh. I
Right.
always feel the cold anyway.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and we'll see you next time.